Hey, hello, and welcome to Ambition Success. My name is SK, and in this video, I am going to give you update about my another tech channel named Ways to Online. Friends, I have started creating video on Google Meet. If you don't know Google Meet, it is used for online meetings. Also, it is used hugely nowadays for online classes by various schools. The reason behind I am creating this video is we are again heading towards another lockdown, and if it is implemented, then schools, those who had not used Google Meet last year, will use. And also I believe that private tutors will more and more use this. So you should know this, how to operate, then only you will be able to help your kids to use this. Otherwise they will not be able to get benefit out of it, and studies will be hampered. And not only online classes, if you are a businessman or professional, then also in lockdown you may need to meet online with your clients, your employees, or your team members. So it is also important for you to know how to use online meeting applications, and Google Meet is available free of cost, so you can use that one. And though this video is in English, but the video I am talking about in my other channel Ways to Online is in Hindi, so you can share that with your friends and family members. It will be useful for everybody. I believe if there is will, there is Ways to Online. And friends, if you are new to this channel, which is Ambition Success, then I would like to tell you that in this channel I create video, teach about Google Workspace, which is a Google product with which you can do so many things. But most importantly, you can create your website using a tool within Google Workspace. You don't need any hosting, any AMC and design charges, because you can create that by your own. And another good thing is that you will get a professional email without any extra cost. That means your email will have domain. It will not be like @gmail.com, but it will be your business name, which will give professional look to your business or maybe to your profession. So all these features are explained thoroughly in the channel. There are lots of videos in English, and if you want those videos in Hindi, then the same channel Ways to Online you can visit, and you will find videos in Hindi. So thank you for watching this video. See you in next one. Take care. Bye bye.